This is what my grill looks like after a normal barbecue. So what I'm going to do, I usually leave one grate out so I can deal with the fire. Okay, so get this one out of the way. By using the leftover charcoal, I notice I don't get the flare-ups in my coal chimney. So I'm going to get these out in my coal chimney and get my fire started. I usually don't use newspaper because I think the newspaper is flying around all over the balcony. So I just put it on my gas stove for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, open the bottom vents and be back. They're not all burning yet, but good enough. And I get another big chunk. So in the meantime, I prepared my steak and chicken wings. Now I want to move the griddle over to burn it clean. And later I'm going to go over with a brush, but now I just use the scraper to scrape some off. Let's check if it's hot enough. Yeah, seems to be the case. So let's put the chicken wings on. So I flipped all of them around once, and I keep them on there for a while longer to get the skin a little crisper. And then I'm gonna throw them in the barbecue sauce and move it over there.
Two steaks.
Oh, the steaks are going good. Same true for the chicken legs. Let's check out the steak. Uh, 45-degree flip. So, let's have a look. Okay, do a little longer. This one, okay, let's go a little longer on the other side. And after a minute, I'm going to move them over to the rest. So, and now I wait for everything to... Excellent! So, this finishes our video.